Good morning. Thanks for joining us for Local 3 News. I'm Rebecca Bartlemay. Joining me via video chat this morning is Kevin Storr, the Executive Director of the Portage Health Foundation. Thanks for joining us, Kevin.
I appreciate taking the time to follow up with us.
Now, you've been working with people in 4 UP counties that you serve to figure out ways to help people in this pandemic, right?
You know, we've been tracking some of the different needs that they've expressed and or some of the things that they're anticipating. And that's helping us better understand from a funder standpoint, not only us, but, you know, our other members of our funder community, the Superior Health Foundation and the Michigan Health Endowment Fund and the Blue Cross Blue Shield Foundation and the West Marquette Health Foundation as an example, you know, just to better understand what our community likely is going to need and try to start anticipating that.
So your organization has established a COVID-19 relief fund too, correct?
For people that may be compelled to want to make a donation. And that was largely influenced by folks calling into the office, starting to ask those questions. What are we doing? You know, how do we give if we're able, or when the time comes, is there going to be a mechanism to receive and deposit any contributions that might come into this community?
How does the relief fund work?
That we intend to use to support health and humanitarian needs for our community as things continue to develop. And, you know, I can tell you already, we've provided some support to 31 backpacks when the schools announced the additional closure, 31 backpacks here in Houghton County and the Ontonagon Backpack Group, which is done by their 4-H. So between those two backpack programs, we've already contributed $7,700 in support funding for emergency food. Just this past Saturday, we arranged for some material supplies for the senior meals program here to help our their program continue to deliver food to our elderly community, over 200 meals a day that they're doing. And we have some other things. I mean, we're already over $10,000 in investment into COVID-related relief in our immediate community. And we're still working with those organizations to identify what other needs might come up.
How can people who are interested contribute to this fund?
You know, the easiest thing right now is just simply go to our website at phfgive.org, and you'll see the banner with the COVID-19 Community Recovery Fund story. You click on that to donate now, it automatically brings you to our donation page.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Kevin. For more information, you could go to our website, upmatters.com, and tune to Local 3 News tonight at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock Central for more local news, weather, and sports.